Hello, Miss Beautiful Kenya, with the wonderful body who's saving all my relationships with her great information. This is Dwayne Mooney. I want to show you your account. This is your back office. Of course, your name, that's your link if you ever shared it with anybody. This is the money you have made, $23. You just put in $50, which is real good. So you've made $23 so far. So what I'm going to do is we're going to buy we're going to order a new investment. Of course you have, before we do that, you have shows you how much Bitcoin is worth now, 6,772. Ethereum, 281, and just a couple of the top. Litecoin, I don't even know what XMR is, but Litecoin, 60-188. This is a real company, so it's not super prices, but they're consistent. And I'm doing real well because I built a business, of course, and I put a lot of money in. So I'm doing real good. Got a nice salary coming in, a couple of grand coming in a month off this program. But what I wanted to show you was this. I wanted to show you how to make a new order. Click new order. And you click here. The e-wallet is right there. And we're going to buy a $20 package. We're going to scroll down here and get this investment package. I actually think you invested in the mining. So we're going to do the investment because it's paying more. 2-year contract, you pay for 2 years. Just like with the program you get paid for 2 years. So it's really worth it. Just some nice passive income. And then click agree. Continue. Shipping address. Doesn't matter. Confirm. I'm sure a receipt will be going to your email. So that's the way you do that. Okay. Now you have another order. So you have $70 working for you. Okay. Order history. Okay. I have. Let me see what it says. Pay binary options. $20 order. Yeah, that was the $20 order I just did, and here's the $50 order you did. And this is unpaid when we first set it up, and I said just put in an order. That never was done. So again, you have the 2-year mining contract for $50 and the $20 2-year trading contract. So you got $70 working for you now. Okay? Now, the key is this. So real quick, this is the new one I'm doing. Same owner, same trader, but I think it's better because that's the one I'm actually building now. Because they just have more bells and whistles. So as I go to this one, it is line trading. And well, I like it better because they pay weekly. They pay daily instead of weekly. Same trader, and the contract is 1 year. And you get your principal back at the end of the year, which I really like. And then they have a, which you wouldn't care about, but they have a matrix compensation plan, which I just love. I love matrix compensation plans. 1, 2, 3, 4. I must put in my polyamory address. Oops. Let's see why I'm not getting that. 2, 3, 4. No, I must have put in my 2, 3. That should get me. What the heck? For some reason I'm not getting in my own account. I can get in my other account. I got a smaller account that I'll get in. I have 2 accounts because that's how you build these things. I think I can get in this one. It's not letting me in. I don't know why it's not letting me in. It's not letting me in. So I can't show you. Okay. I love it. And it's not letting me on because I'm on Melissa's computer, so I can't get in for some reason. But let's see if I can get back to it. Yeah, for some reason it's not letting me in. So, but let me show you. Trading Made Easy, about us, it's got information. You know, this is the trader right here, person of color, Jean Paul Ramirez. I've met him. Great dude. The real owner is the same owner who owns Modern Money Team, the investment that you're in. White guy out of Utah. This is the trader that they're showing. And I guess he's the founder of Eyeline Business Development. And he hooked up with Dan Putnam and created this company. And also the third owner is a brother. And like him, he specializes in forex and stocks too. The third owner is a brother, internet marketing genius. And like I said, the minimum is $40 for this one. So if you want to join this one, just let me know, because I am building this one, and people will be coming from Juju Mama, and I would like to put them up on you. Okay, so let me put $40 in my PayPal, hook you up with this one. But I would really like to see you put more money in this one when you get the opportunity, because believe me, you will make a lot of money. I'm already making $40 every 2 days with this one, and I started a week and a half ago. In about 6 months, I'll be making at least minimum 10 grand a month with this program. Okay, so that's what I want to show you. I will talk to you soon, and I'm out.